This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 50, and the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence, and this instruction is applicable in answering question 41 to 70. And the sentence here say he hasn't gone out today dash E. He hasn't gone out today dash E. This question is from a topic in English we called tag question. Remember that in your English class, tag question. And one of the rule for tag question is that when you have a negative statement, your tag will be positive. And then the second rule says that when you have a positive statement, your tag will be negative. So if you look at this statement very well, you find out that this statement is in its negative form. He hasn't. That is, hasn't here is a construct of what? Has not. So we can say he has not gone out today dash E. He has not. So not is a negative word. It's a negative. And remember that we also have what we call n in English expression. So he hasn't gone out today dash E. A did, B has, C hasn't, D have, E haven't. So since in the statement we have negative, then the positive or the correct option that is would be in positive form to this hasn't or has not is has. So we can now say that he hasn't gone out today as he. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.